Hey Mom, who would love this adorable beach home we just listed?
Anyone that loves amazing oak trees, 1 mile from the beach, and just the best location on 30A.
Well, let's go check it out.
Sounds like a plan. Some of the highlights you need to know about this beautiful home. It's custom built by Lewis Jones Construction, beautiful high wood beams, and hurricane impact glass.
But wait Mom, you're also forgetting real hardwood floors, a metal roof, and plantation shutters.
That's so true. What a bargain.
We are enjoying this beautiful screened-in balcony, and look at this amazing outdoor living space.
It's really truly amazing. Gas fire pit, don't forget you have a 2-car garage and a golf cart storage shed outside as well, and just walking distance to one of our favorite beach access point at Lake Star Wars.
For more information on this listing, you can call us at the number below, and we'll see you in the next tour.
Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss und
And
goodbye.